My son, you defeated death. Nurse Clara is exceptional. She's always around me to cheer me up. She works morning, afternoon, and night shift just because of you.
Oh, who is she?
The nurse that just left home to freshen up.
Oh, was she the one I saw when I woke up?
I wouldn't know because I was not here.
Good afternoon, Ma.
Oh, good afternoon.
How are you doing today?
Well done, sir.
Thank you, Mama.
Nurse, thank you very much. You people did well.
It's nothing, Ma. God did actually, Ma. He used a few persons around here to make sure your son comes back to life. You know, people like Nurse Clara. She donated her blood when we couldn't find a matching donor for your son.
She did?
She did. She did. She did. She did. Welcome. Welcome.
How are you feeling?
Thank God, oh.
Hey, thank you, Jesus.
And thank people like you for standing by me.
Thank God for your life.
It's a great miracle.
Doctor.
Yes, Jason.
I think I'm okay. I need to get to the house.
It's okay. I'll tell them to prepare your papers for discharge, okay?
Really?
Yes, I will.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mama.
I'm going home.
Yes. Samilo.
Jesse, are you okay now?
Yes.
Yes, he's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
Very, very much okay.
Very, very much okay.
Who is she? Why did she save my life? If not for Nurse Clara, I would have been dead by now.
Oh, you're here already? I'm still here. I thought you left.
I just said check up on him.
Oh.
I feel so bad for the mother.
Oh, poor woman. He's an only child. Oh.
Sad.
Seriously.
Let me go.
Okay. Nurse Clara, his hand just moved. His hand. Oh my God.
Doctor.
Okay. Doctor!
Who's your friend? Yeah. Who's your foe? Who's the one you put all of?
Nurse Clara, what a human being. Mama and Dr. George said she never left my side for a second. I have to go look for her and appreciate her, at least for what she has done for me.
Just your.
Yes, Mama.
I made food for you.
Thank you.
You have to eat so that you take your drugs.
It's me.
Justin, one more thing. I think it's time for you to go and do the needful. Go and pay Wazico's bride price.
Mama, what is this, for God's sake? I'm recovering. I need time, I need sanity. Can you just keep this marriage thing aside?
My son, you are well now. Thank God for bringing you back to life. You're okay.
Thank God. And thank Nurse Clara for assisting to bring me back to life.
God use her for you.
Yes. Mama, do you know she's very beautiful and she has a pure heart?
Beautiful. Who is beautiful?
Nurse Clara.
This why you are smiling like this. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. You better kill whatever feeling you have for that girl, because it will not work.
What is all this, for God's sake? Just lost my appetite.
Could this be love? I don't even know how I feel. I fell for him at first sight. Oh God, I wasn't around when he was discharged. I don't have his phone number. I don't know where he lives. I would have gone in search of him to tell him how I feel. Will I ever see him again? Will I? I don't know. Could this be love? Could it?
This one you are smiling like this, I hope it's not that Nurse Clara, because it will never work.
Mama, is that why you're shouting?
Justin, I will not sit down and watch you marry that one else. It can never work. She's not suitable for you. Ngozika is the one that is suitable for you to marry.
So who do you want me to marry, Ngozika?
Yes.
The village girl?
Yes.
I should leave the person that donated blood for me to survive a second chance. Mama, just listen to yourself for God's sake.
Justin, you might be of the same age bracket with her, or she might even be older than you. What are you saying?
My age is nothing but a number, for God's sake.
Justin, Ngozi is just 20 years old. She's the one suitable for you for marriage. I watched her grow up into a beautiful woman.
Mama, 20 years is a teenage age. I am 35 years old, going to 36 years old. You expect me to marry a 20 years old girl? That is child abuse. Mama, in your time, you do that. But now, we do it for pleasure and somebody else is going to give us peace of mind. Okay?
And who says the younger one will not give you peace of mind and happiness? Who said that?
Well, I am not going to get married to your village girl. If I'm considering marriage, I'm going to get married to the girl that saved my life with her own blood. Mama, even you could not donate blood for me.
It won't work. As far as I'm still alive, it will never work. Do you understand?
Really?
Yes.
Mama,
really.
it will work.
It will not work.
It will work, Mama.
I am the one that gave birth to you. It will never work as
It
far as
will
I
work.
do it.
It will work, Mama. It will work, Mama.
Oh, it will work.
Yes, it will work.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Let's see. You come and kill me because you gave birth to me.
Oga, how you doing now?
I'm fine. Much better.
Thank God. Oga, guess what I want to show you.
What is it?
Mercy.
What is this?
Oga, just the watch and you go see.
What is he doing in my house?
Oga, he come here. I don't know what he can collect from here. Even go destroy the CCTV. Just the watch.
My goodness. Sammy can actually kill me if you have the opportunity.
Oga, I can't friend really get with this, so just the watch and the see.
He's a friend of me.
The bad one.
I need to give him distance. I need to give him distance.
Yes, sir.
You can go, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Oga, be careful, oh.
Sammy. I need to give him distance.
What are you getting at? What are you accusing me of? I don't understand. I should return what? Why are you accusing me for something I don't know? Please. Jason, I don't like it. I don't like this. Please, I don't take this, I don't take it. Jesse, I was there for you when you're lying lifeless in coma. So now, what I get in return is false accusation, right? I don't like it. What are you saying? I should return what? What do you mean I should return something I took from your house? I didn't take anything from your house. I don't take anything from your house. What office file? Me? I took office file from your house? Please. I don't like this. I don't like this. If you're looking for anything, ask Ekwe. He was the only one in your house when you're in coma. Yes. Wait. Police? Wait, are you threatening me with police now? So this is how you pay me back? No, Jesse, this is how you pay me back. Police, 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 right? Okay, no problem. No problem, police. What did he mention? CCTV camera. CCTV camera.
Good afternoon. Nurse Philo, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
How's it?
I'm fine, thank you.
How about Nurse Clara? She come to the hospital today?
Yes, she was on morning shift. She left already.
Okay, fine.
Doctor, hope there's no problem.
None at all. None at all.
Okay.
I'll be in my office. Please check the patient first.
Okay. Oh, you're leaving already?
Yes, I'm done for the day.
Dr. George has been acting after you lately.
Asking after me?
Yeah, like, is there anything we need to know? Is something going on?
Oh, there's nothing.
I think he likes you or not.
Philo, I don't have the strength for this discussion right now. Please, I need to go home. I'm tired.
Wait, haven't you seen how he still glances at you?
I haven't seen how he still glances at me. I'll see you tomorrow, please. I'm so tired.
Okay.
I found the one I want. She's the one I need. No one else will do. She's everything I want. I owe you all my life. You gave me all your strength. I cannot look away anymore. You are the one for me. Your love has found me, changed my whole life.
Mr. Jason.
Hello, how are you and how's work?
Fine, I'm good. You look so good and handsome.
Can you just stop with the flattery?
I'm not, you know that.
Look, thank you so much for being part of the thing that makes sure I'm back to life, okay? I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Please, I'm here to see Nurse Clara.
No, she's not in. She's on night shift.
Please, can I have a number?
Why not? Okay, I'm just sharing with you. Okay, there you go.
Thank you so much.
All right.
I need to go now, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
All right, take care of yourself.
I found the one I want. She's the one I need. No one else will do. She's everything I want. I owe you all my life. You gave me all your strength. I cannot look away anymore. You are the one for me. Your love has found me, changed my whole life, giving me a chance to love.
Hello? Jason. It's Jason. Yes, my survivor. My savior. He used you. Where are you? I went to the hospital and I saw Nurse Philo and she said you are night duty today. And I asked her to give me your number and she did. My mom is fine. She's back to the village and I am okay. I could see you. Can we see?
My whole life has changed. Given me a chance to love. Your love has found me.
How come my compound is looking neat and tidy? It wasn't like this when I left. Hey. Hey. Where one more? Ngo Beke. Good afternoon, Mom. How are you? Hey, I thought as much. I came in and everywhere is looking so neat. Ha! Ngo, have you seen why I chose you for my son? Eh? Nwazurazu. One who will not wait to be told on what to do. Thank you very much. Thank you, my dear. Ngo, soon. Very soon. You know, he's just recovering from the accident. He will soon come home. Eh? I think this is a good suggestion. No? I think this is what we are going to do. I will take you to his house in the city myself. You should be happy, Ngozi. Okay, Ngo. Now go back to what you're cooking. It's getting late. Talk to you later. I just came in now. Okay, bye-bye. What?
How old are you?
35. Why?
Are you married or in a serious relationship?
None of the above.
I don't understand none of the above. So you don't have any guy in your life?
Well,
What is it?
Oh, no, nothing. Nothing. It's just memories.
Okay. Memories of?
I was married at 32. To the love of my life. And I lost him to the cold hands of death. He had asthma. Had an attack and couldn't find his inhaler.
You were married?
Babe, hold on to this while I wait for the food, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah. Babe, I'm so happy for Jason's life. God in his infinite mercy brought him back to us. I'm really happy. Babe. God knows what his death would have done to his mother. I thought by now he'd have gotten married to Jovita. Why is he still single? Babe. Babe, you're not talking.
What is it? What do I need to say?
Is there any problem? Since Jason came back to life, you've been acting up. What's going on? Is there any problem? What is going on? Babe. 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 Why is he acting up? What's going on? What seems to be the problem? Why the cold? I don't understand. What's happening?
Yes, but I wasn't aware he had asthma. I guess he loved me so much, he didn't want me to worry.
No matter what, he's supposed to tell you that he's leaving with such.
He's a good man. This certainly must have been the reason why he did not tell me. Everything about America just reminded me of him. So I had to relocate. I relocated from the US where I was paid in dollars down to Nigeria. There's been guys here and there, but it's been so hard for me to move past it all. Listen, enough of me. Tell me about you and Jovita.
How did you get to know about Jovita?
She came by the hospital several times looking for you and blaming herself for what happened to you, so I did meet her a couple of times.
No, so I don't want to talk about her. Actually.
Okay. I promise not to mention her again.
Because I was busy loving the wrong person.
So you brought this up. So I have to ask, how?
She was spiting me, despite loving her and her family so much. Doing everything for her.
Sad. You're trailing them?
Yes, I have to follow them.
For how long?
I follow them up until they get to the guy's compound. She come down, was watching them carefully. The most painful part of it is, she was just caressing him, kissing him in his compound. It hurts, but I recorded them. I have evidence, video evidence. Following them, she came to the house. She tried to deny it when I confronted her. But I showed her the video evidence, so that nailed it.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
It's sad.
Hi, baby. Oh, my love. How are you, babe?
Hi.
Nurse Clara, you're here.
Yes, I am.
Really? Babe, I made you vegetable soup. Was lot of periwinkles plus pounded yam. I made them myself. You'll like it. Are you okay? Are you fine?
What are you doing in my house?
Babe, you can't be asking me that in front of a total stranger. That's unfair. All right. If you like this one.
Look, I'm not going to eat your food. Stand up and get out of my house this minute.
Why?
Just go. Stand up.
Why should I go?
Hello, Salome. You're in the house already. Is my man at home? Okay. I'm just coming out from the salon right now. I went for my manicure and pedicure. Alright. See you soon.
Get out.
Get out! No, you don't do that to me, alright? I'm not going anywhere.
You're not going anywhere.
Yes.
Can you please calm down?
Igwe!
No, please wait. He's not very strong. He's ill. So just go home. If he says go home, you can talk about this some other time.
I say, he's not very strong. Go home if he says go home. Really? And what will you be doing in this house? He is my man. My relationship of 2 years. Listen, if I am leaving, you are leaving. I am not going to let you stay in this house.
So really?
Nonsense.
Hey,
yes, I am not going anywhere, babe. Do your worst.
Auntie Club9, I don't think we need to come here. My God don't see me like, no, they come here. Come, they go.
Are you mad? Did you just touch me? Don't you dare touch me, you miserable life. Babe, I am not going anywhere. We're in this together and we're going to make up. Really? You want to replace me with that ugly bat? That thing? No way. It's not going to happen.
Get out of my house.
I'm not. Babe, listen, we can work this out. Let's talk about it.
Work what
right?
out? What out?
Babe, I love
The
you.
day you looked into my eyes and cheated on me was the day you lost my respect. After everything I've done for you and your family, huh? I even paid 2 million naira for your brother's brain tumor surgery. When they throw you out, you and your family, I paid that house rent for 3 years.
Babe,
After everything,
I am not denying it.
don't worry. I'm not regretting it. Only regret was assisting ungrateful human being like you.
I'm sorry, it wasn't me. It was Debbie, my friend. You know, she comes to tell me how good her man is, and he usually takes her to Cloud9 whenever they make out. And it was not like that. I am sorry.
Imagine.
I'm truly sorry.
Imagine what you're saying with your mouth. You're even shameless. Just get out. Take her out of my house.
Hold on.
Auntie Club9, don't put for trouble. Club9 don't put for trouble. Make a carry for head. I've not for body. I carry. Come, they go.
I am warning you for the last time. Don't you dare touch me or talk back at me. Are you stupid?
Club9 don't put for trouble. Make
Stupid,
they go.
but okay, I am sorry.
Can you just get out?
Make they go.
Yeah.
Come there.
Babe. Oh.
Make they go, auntie.
Oh.
Go.
Oh.
Come, they go. They go.
Let's go and apologize.
He left me for her. He broke up with me to be with her. He cheated me for fatness. I brought this upon myself. I had gold, but I went after dust. That little guy has nothing to offer me. He has just Cloud9. I wanted to fly over the moon. I wanted to know what it feels like to be taken up there. Few hours pleasure. Few hours pleasure has ruined my relationship. Debbie ruined everything for me. What have I done? did I even listen to her in the first place? I would have guided what I had so jealously. To think I nearly killed Jason because of my stupid act. He loved me so much. He was ready to give me the whole world.
I'm so sorry, Clara. I'm so sorry. I feel so embarrassed right now.
You said sorry like a million times. It's fine, really.
She just barged in. I told her not to come to my house ever again.
Well, if I were to pass for a good character judge, I'd say she's really sorry about what happened.
So what do you mean? I should forgive her?
Not necessarily let her back in, but forgiveness is key.
I don't think I can forgive her. She nearly cost me my life. The accident I have, she made it happen.
Well, and you came out of it alive, thanks to God. So, forgiveness is inevitable. Anyways, I have to hurry. I'm on night shift. Been meaning to ask, what about Sammy?
You don't want to know what he did.
I want to.
When all this was happening, he came to my house, destroyed my CCTV, packed all my card. I have a lot of money in it with my document, my properties, everything. He didn't know my security man was recording him. That's what we used to tame him down.
I'm surprised. I always knew he was up to no good. Like I said, I'm on night shift and I have to hurry.
Thank you.
Babe, how far?
Do not. Don't you ever try to call me that. I am here to congratulate you for ruining my relationship. All thanks to you. I hope you're happy now.
Really? Are you blaming me for your misfortune? Please.
Baby.
Excuse
How are
me.
you?
How dare you? Something wrong with your brain? Touch me one more time with those filthy hands of yours. You see what I will do to you. Fool.
Did you just call me a fool?
Oh yes. You're worse than a fool. You're a bigger fool.
Really?
Yes.
Look at this one that was screaming my name the other day while I was banging you. All of a sudden you're calling me stupid. Fool. Really?
And you,
Really?
I just want you to know that I will not forgive you for this. Stupid
Really?
face.
Baby, what's wrong with your friend?
See, leave Jovita alone. Eh? Tell me now, how far?
Man, nothing is far, man. I'm not good. Not good. What's that outburst for?
Like I said earlier, leave Jovita alone. Let it be.
You said you wanted to see me.
Yes, Miss Clara. You're a good woman.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I mean, I've observed you with keen interest. And you are a good human being. You have amazing personality. I've come across a lot of nurses in St. Charles Hospital, but you stood out. I've met a lot of women, but you're different. You have an amazing personality. Your type is rare, you're kind-hearted.
Thank you. I'm sorry, doctor. Where is all this headed?
Nurse Clara, the truth is, I'm attracted to you. I mean, for all the qualities I listed, you are my #1 crush. I want you for keeps.
I mean, we work in the same establishment.
I know, but don't take decisions. I could give you some time to think about this. Just think about it first. Some time. Please? Thank you, Miss Clara.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Miss Philo, please, I want to ask you. you have idea if Nurse Clara is seeing someone?
Why do you ask?
I just want to know.
Well, the last time I checked, she's not seen any man. She lost her would-be husband in the United States of America on the eve of their wedding 3 years ago.
So sad. I'm so sorry.
Well, Nurse Clara is the kindest human I've ever seen.
I can testify to that.
The way she treats patients, her type is rare to find.
Yes, I can attest to that.
If not for Nurse Clara, Mr. Jason would have been a goner.
So I heard.
But wait, I haven't been able to reach her all this while.
I'm going to call her immediately. I'm out of this place.
Please do, because you cannot tell your survivor stories without her.
I totally agree with you. Nurse Phil, please, I beg you, don't discuss this with her, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much. I'll see you.
Bye.
I think I've found a wife. Yes. I think I found a wife. Oh God. Hey, hello? How are you? I'm fine, doing well. Yeah, I just called to ask, is it possible for us to have a dinner date at my place? Oh, my bad. Yeah, you're on night shift. Okay, so can we do lunch? Okay, beautiful. See you on Sunday. All right. Thank you. Bye. Can't wait for Sunday.
I found the one I want. She's the one I need. No one else will do. She's everything I want. I owe you all my life. You gave me all your strength. I cannot look away anymore. You are the one for me. Your love has found me, changed my whole life, giving me a chance to love you. Your love has found me, changed my whole life. Take my hand, never let go, never let go. In my deepest hour, 'cause you've shown me light, and that is where I wanna stay.
Hey.
You startled me.
Mary.
What are you doing sneaking around your own house? You have to be upstairs on your computer working.
I am upstairs working on my computers. I have a lot of work. I need to settle as fast as possible.
I'm sorry, I wish I could help. All I know is medicine.
I'm giving people injections. Yeah.
You can say that again.
How do you feel injecting different people?
Normal. Just like a teacher feels normal to teach.
Really?
Yes.
Now tell me, what was it that you like about me?
I've gone back to
tell
this
me,
discussion
tell me.
again.
You're giving me injection all
You
those
were in a trance. You telling me you could feel me rushing to your room all the time to inject you. I only came at the specific time you ought to take your injections.
You love me.
No! I only came at the specific point in time when you had to take your injections.
You love me, baby.
No.
Come confess.
At the time, you were supposed to have the injection.
Just always walk
At the time.
Supposed to call. This girl, let me call her before I forget. Because I know her. Fight.
Son, you're back.
Mama. You didn't tell me that you are coming now.
Ah.
Unlike you.
I had to come so that we finalize things, you know?
Finalize what?
You need to come to the village and pay Ngozika's bride price. Or do you want me to do that for you?
Excuse you? Pay his hood bride price, for God's sake. Did I tell you I'm in love with anybody? I've made my choice already. Mama, so why are you forcing somebody else on me, for God's sake?
I don't want someone else. I want you to marry a young girl who have not seen life. That's the kind of woman I want for my son. Eh? Nah, see, I wanted to come with her so that you will see the kind of onogo, the kind of pino I found for you.
Mama, God save you, you didn't bring that girl to my house. I could have walked both you and her out of my house, Mama.
Jassy, what are you trying to do? To walk out on me? Your mother?
Yes.
Jason, if you marry that one else, I will kill myself.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Why do you think this emotional blackmail works on me right now?
You see me? Jason!
Mama, you think this emotional blackmail will work on me? I'll conclude that. Hey, baby. At least branch my place so that we can spend some quality time together before you head to work. I want us to discuss our marriage. Babe, I want us to discuss how we're going to produce a lot of children.
Jesse, we need to talk now.
Babe, please, I'll call you back. Mama, I've told you countless times, I don't like the way you barge into my room. I hate it.
It's about the choice you've made. Why not Clara?
Why won't I pick Nurse Clara? Tell me, Mama. That's the woman that saved my life. That's the woman that gave me a second chance, for God's sake.
Ngozika is the right girl I've chosen for you. You must marry her whether you like it or not. Do you understand?
You wish. Me marry a village girl. Mama, I can't even wrap this round my head, for God's sake.
You have to embrace the hard reality.
Mama,
do you understand?
Mama, the hard reality is I don't even know her. And I don't love her, for God's sake.
I didn't love your father when I got married to him. But the marriage produced you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Mama, that was then. 1950s, 1940s. You guys are loyal women. But now, for God's sake, you need to love somebody genuinely. You need to understand that connection between you and your wife or you and your husband before you go into forever, Mama. I can never marry somebody I don't love.
Ngozika is the right choice for you. You must marry her. You must. It's a must.
No. Babe. Hey, baby. You promised to show up yesterday. I didn't see you. Emergency. At least you could have called me to let me know. Babe, I don't want to lose you at all. Okay? You won't understand. It's for me to understand it. I know what I'm talking about. Don't worry. Don't bother, okay? Am I going to see you today? Babe, I said don't worry. Am I going to see you today? I miss you so much, okay? And I love you. Talk to you soon. Bye. I love her so much.
Jovita, you are here.
Yes, Mama.
What are you doing here? How do you manage to enter?
I've been here. I am waiting for Jason. Good morning. Good evening.
Jovita, did I and Sammy wander at the hospital to stay clear from Jason? Why did you carry two left legs into this compound again?
Mama, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I love your son so much and I can't do this without him.
Jovita, love does not hurt. You cannot claim you love my son, yet you cheated on him. Eh?
Mama, please. I'm sorry. Please, talk to Jason to forgive me. I will never look sideways. I'll never do anything that will hurt him. Just forgive me. I am sorry. I've changed.
Jovita, you nearly killed my son. And you are here talking of coming back. Coming back to do what? To finish him up? Eh? What else? Jovita, I beg of you. Just listen to me very well. Leave my son alone. He has moved on with his village wife I found for him. So you and Clara should let him be. Let him focus on his new family. What is it? Ogini?
Did you say a village wife?
Yes, I said village wife. Hey! This way. Yes, just go. Jovita, leave my son. Leave my son alone. Out. I say out, I say mama. Out.
What?
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 Clara. I'm just afraid of losing you. So curious. I want to lose you.
I'm not going anywhere. Neither are you.
Okay? What if I lose you? What happened?
You're not losing me. Why are you sounding like that? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Is there something I should know? Okay.
Look, I love you. Very much, actually. Too much that I don't want to lose you. Basically, doesn't.
You won't. Can we go now? I'm hungry. Faster. Can we go faster now? I'm hungry.
Take you to the best restaurants.
I trust you, girl.
Is that all you need?
Yes.
Food? I want to spoil
Don't make
you.
it sound like that.
I want to spoil
Is
you.
that all you need? Food? Yes. Food.
I want to spoil you a little bit.
My son just picked a wife from the village. Yes. And the girl is just 20 years old. You know, as a nurse, she knows that she has more chances of getting pregnant early than these matured ladies of 30, 35, you know. At a one touch, the thing will just enter. I don't want someone that will be struggling to get pregnant from my son. That's not the kind of wife I want for him.
Mama, I should go. I just said to drop by.
Jessie didn't tell you. He should have told you instead of you, you know, wasting your time around him.
I really should go, Mama. Thank you very much.
It's okay.
Who did you choose over me?
It's not a case of choosing. Yes, I'm newly engaged, but it's not a case of choosing. It's just, it's a decision. Besides, we work in the same establishment. I just really can't.
You feel who you chose is better than me?
No, it's not. It's just a decision, Doctor. I'm seeing somebody already.
It's fine. If you feel who you chose is better, it's fine.